Iran's Islamic Revolution Guard Corps unveiled its first homegrown drone carrier warship Thursday, as the country's domestic defense industry grows. The carrier, Shahid Baqeri, was delivered to the IRGC's naval fleet in the Persian Gulf in a ceremony held in the southern port city of Bandar Abbas. The warship features a 180-meter runway and can travel up to 22,000 nautical miles, IRGC Naval Commander Alireza Tangsiri said during the ceremony. He said it can carry several squadrons of drones and guided submersibles as well as helicopters and cruise missiles. It is also equipped with short and medium-range air defense systems, intelligence equipment, and a flight control tower. Tangsiri said it took 2 years to convert a commercial vessel into a drone carrier. Also speaking at the ceremony, Chief of Staff of the Iranian Armed Forces, Major General Mohammad Hossein Baqeri, said that more than 90% of Iran's military equipment is now produced locally in Iran. Before the 1979 Islamic Revolution, Iran had imported over 90% of its military needs. Iran has been working on its domestic military capabilities for years. On January 15, the Iranian Navy received its first locally made signals intelligence vessel. Some 1,000 new domestically produced drones, with a range of more than 2,000 kilometers, joined the Iranian army last month. The latest addition to the IRGC's fleet comes as tensions between Iran and Israel reached a peak in the past year following the Iranian-backed Hamas group's surprise assault on southern Israel on October 7, 2023, which triggered the Israeli offensive in the Gaza Strip. Just as foreigners enter Iran's territorial waters, we will also operate in distant waters in accordance with international laws to ensure the security of Iran and maintain the complete safety of Iranian shipping routes, Baqeri stated in his address. He hailed the new drone carrier as crucial for strengthening the country's national defense. IRGC Commander Hossein Salami said at the ceremony that Iran must strengthen its deterrence capacity to prevent war. Iran is not considered a threat to any country, but we do not bow before threat by any power, he added. In October 2024, Israel launched 2 waves of airstrikes across Iran in retaliation for the IRGC firing ballistic missiles at Israel in response to the killing of Hezbollah leader Hassan Nasrallah and IRGC Deputy Commander Abbas Nilforoshan in a September 2024 airstrike in Beirut. The IRGC launched its first direct attack on Israel in April 2024, firing hundreds of drones in response to a suspected Israeli strike on the Iranian consulate in Damascus.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.